Tired of a cluttered Yahoo Mail sidebar with folders you never use? Learn exactly how to delete them in seconds. And don't worry, I know what you're probably thinking. What happens to the emails inside that folder? We'll cover that too. By the time we're done, you'll have a clean, organized inbox with only the folders you actually need. So here's the plan. I'll walk you through the simple steps. Sign in, locate the folder, and remove it with just a few clicks. It really is that straightforward. Let's start with the first step. Open up your browser and head over to Yahoo Mail. Go ahead and sign in with your email address and password. Now, if you're already signed in somewhere else, just make sure you're on the main inbox view where you can see all your messages. This is where everything begins. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left side of your screen. That long column running down from the top is your sidebar. And right there, you'll see a section labeled Folders. This is where Yahoo keeps all the custom folders you've created over time. You might have quite a few, especially if you've been using this account for a while. Some of them might be empty. Some might be packed with old newsletters or project emails you don't need anymore. Now scroll through that list until you find the folder you want to get rid of. Take your time here. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen people accidentally delete the wrong folder because they rushed through this step. Just hover your mouse over the folder name and double-check that it's the right one. Alright, here's where the magic happens. Move your mouse so it's hovering directly over the folder name. You'll notice a small three-dot icon appear to the right of the folder name. That little icon, it looks like 3 dots in a vertical line, is your key to managing that folder. Click on it. A drop-down menu will pop up with several options. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Delete Folder. It'll usually be near the bottom. Go ahead and click it. Now a warning box will appear. And this is the really important part, one mentioned earlier. Yahoo will tell you that deleting this folder will also delete all the emails inside it, permanently. There is no trash bin to rescue them from. So if there's anything in that folder you might want to keep, now is your last chance to move those messages out. Just drag them to your inbox or another folder before you proceed. If you're absolutely sure, click the delete button in that confirmation box. Give it just a second to process. Yahoo is moving things around behind the scenes, and just like that, the folder disappears from your list. It's gone. Your sidebar looks cleaner already, doesn't it? So that's all there is to it. A few clicks and your Yahoo Mail is just a little bit more organized. If you do this with a few folders, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to find the emails that actually matter. I've tested this process myself countless times, and it works every time. No tricks, no hidden catches. Just a cleaner inbox waiting for you.